In this video, you'll learn how to add the Base network to your Trust wallet. This process involves a few straightforward steps that will enable you to access the Base network seamlessly within your wallet application. Begin by opening the Trust Wallet application on your device. If you have not already installed it, you can download it from your device's App Store. Once the application is launched, you will be greeted by the main dashboard, which displays your existing wallets and assets. Next, locate the option labeled Swap. This can usually be found in the navigation menu at the bottom of the screen. When you tap on Swap, the interface will transform to show you the swapping options available for your assets. After that, you will need to change the asset you are swapping from. Look for the section that says From and tap on the drop-down menu. Here you will find BNB as the default selection. Select BNB to indicate that you want to swap from this asset. Now proceed to the section labeled To. This is where you will select the asset you want to swap to. Tap on the drop-down menu labeled To and look for the option that allows you to select a token. This action will present you with a list of available tokens. Once the list appears, type Base into the search bar to quickly find the Base network token. After typing, the relevant options will filter down, allowing you to select the Base token with ease. After selecting the Base token, confirm your choice and return to the swap interface. So here you will see the option to finalize the swap. Tap on the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation prompt may appear detailing the transaction specifics and fees associated with the swap. Once you confirm the swap, the process will begin and you may see a loading indicator or progress bar. The duration of this process can vary depending on your internet connection speed. Larger transactions may take longer to process, so ensure that you have a stable connection throughout. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.